In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Canva. If you're creating a presentation, a document, or a social media graphic, the background color can make a huge difference in how polished and on brand your design looks. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier than trying to place large colored shapes behind your content. Instead, you can change the actual canvas background directly inside the editor, which keeps your design clean and your layers organized. To begin, make sure you open your project inside Canva's design workspace. This is important because the background color controls only appear when you're actively editing a design. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose the format you want, such as a presentation or social post. If you already have a file you've been working on, simply open that existing design so the editor loads fully. Once your design is open, the next step is to select the actual page background. Move your cursor over the canvas and click on an empty area of the page. Be careful not to click on a text box, image, or graphic element because that will select the object instead of the background. When you've clicked the right spot, you should see the page itself become highlighted, which confirms that Canva is ready to edit the background layer. Now look toward the top toolbar. When the background is selected, you'll see a background color option appear. Click that color box to open the color panel. In Canva, this panel typically opens with several color choices and tools that let you quickly switch the look of your design. From here, you can choose a preset color if you want something simple and fast. If your design needs a specific brand color, use the option to add a new color and enter the exact hex code. That gives you much more precision, especially when you're matching an existing brand palette. If your version of Canva offers gradient background settings, you can also switch from a solid color to a gradient for a more modern and layered look. If your design has multiple pages and you want the same background applied everywhere, look in the color panel for the Apply to All Pages option. Clicking that will update the entire file at once, which is a major time saver and helps keep everything consistent. Finally, once everything looks right, go to the top toolbar and click the lock icon. This helps prevent accidental changes to the background while you continue editing the rest of your design. And that's it. You've successfully changed your background color in Canva in a clean, simple way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.